Assalamualaikum. Take out your English book, Star Alphabet book. Now our next alphabet is V. What is this? V. V for vegetables. V for vegetables. Vegetables means सब्जियाँ. V for vegetables. V for vegetables. V for vegetables. मेरे साथ रिपीट करिए आप सभी. V for vegetables. V for vegetables. V for vase. V for vase. What is this? This is vase. V for vase. V for violin. V for violin. What is this? Violin. V for violin. V for violin. V for vulture. V for vulture. V for vulture. Repeat with me. V for vase. V for violin. V for vulture. तो आज हमने कौन सा अल्फ़ाबेट लर्न किया? अल्फ़ाबेट V. V for vegetables.